Have you ever dreamed of starting a YouTube channel but felt camera shy? You're not alone. Many people are drawn to the idea of sharing their knowledge and creativity online. But the thought of being on camera can be intimidating. Thankfully, there's a solution: Faceless YouTube videos. This approach is gaining popularity, and for good reason. It offers a fantastic way to connect with your audience without ever showing your face. Traditional YouTube often involves a lot of work. You need to film yourself, edit the footage, and be comfortable in front of the camera. This can be a barrier for many aspiring creators. Faceless videos eliminate these hurdles. You can focus on creating valuable content without the pressure of being on screen. This opens up a world of possibilities for those who prefer to stay behind the scenes. This guide will walk you through the process of creating engaging, faceless YouTube videos using Canva. Canva is a user-friendly online design platform. It's packed with tools and features that make video creation a breeze, even for beginners. We'll cover everything from brainstorming ideas to optimizing your videos for YouTube's algorithm. Imagine this: you share valuable information, grow a loyal audience, and potentially even earn income, all without ever hitting the record button on your camera. Sounds good, right? That's the power of faceless YouTube videos. Let's get started. Before diving into Canva, you'll need a solid video idea. This is where ChatGPT comes in. ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot. It can help you brainstorm topics, research keywords, and even generate script outlines. Start by thinking about your interests and expertise. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? Once you have a general idea, head over to ChatGPT. You can ask it questions like, "Give me YouTube video ideas about your interest." ChatGPT will provide you with a list of potential topics, giving you a starting point for your video. When choosing a topic, consider niche selection and keyword research. A niche is a specific area of interest within a broader category. For example, instead of cooking, your niche could be vegan baking or budget-friendly meals. Keywords are terms people use to search for information on YouTube. Use ChatGPT to research keywords related to your niche. This will help your video get found by the right audience. Let's say you're interested in personal finance. You could ask ChatGPT, "Give me YouTube video ideas about personal finance for beginners." ChatGPT might suggest topics like creating a budget, saving for your first home, or investing 101. These suggestions can spark your creativity and help you pinpoint a specific topic for your video. Now that you have a topic, it's time to write your script. Again, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool. Provide ChatGPT with your chosen topic and ask it to generate a script outline. For example, you could say, "Create a YouTube script outline for a video about creating a budget for beginners." ChatGPT will generate a structured outline. It may include sections for an introduction, key points, and a conclusion. This outline provides a framework for your script. It ensures you cover all the essential information in a logical order. Remember, a well-structured script keeps your viewers engaged and helps them follow along easily. While ChatGPT is great for generating ideas and outlines, reviewing and editing the AI-generated script is crucial. Make sure the language is clear, accurate, and reflects your unique voice. Don't be afraid to add your personality and humor to the script. Here's a tip: use specific keywords from your research in your script. This will improve your video's SEO, making it easier for people to find on YouTube. For instance, if your video is about creating a budget, use phrases like budgeting tips, monthly expenses, and financial goals throughout your script. With your script ready, it's time to bring your vision to life with Canva. Head over to Canva and create a free account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click on Create a Design and select YouTube Video. This will open a new project with the optimal dimensions for YouTube videos, 1920 by 1080 pixels. Canva's interface is user-friendly. You'll see a toolbar on the left with options for adding text, elements, uploads, and more. On the right, you'll find a library of templates, photos, videos, and audio tracks. In the center is your workspace where you'll piece together your video. Canva offers a vast library of royalty-free visuals. Click on the Videos tab in the left sidebar to browse. You can search for specific keywords related to your topic. Let's say your video is about creating a budget. Search for terms like money, finance, or savings. Select a few video clips that resonate with your script and drag them onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Don't be afraid to use a variety of visuals to keep your viewers engaged. Mix and match video clips, images, and even animations. Canva's drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to experiment and find the perfect visuals for your video. Section 5. Bringing your script to life. Voiceover with 11 Labs. A clear and engaging voiceover is essential for any faceless YouTube video. 11 Labs is a fantastic tool that allows you to create realistic voiceovers using AI. It's free to use and offers a wide range of voices to choose from. Visit the 11 Labs website and sign up for a free account. Click on Voice Cloning and choose Create a New Voice. Browse through the available voices and select one that suits your video's style. Listen to samples before making your choice. For a friendly vibe, select a warm and conversational tone. Adjust the voice's speed and pitch to fine-tune it. Copy and paste your script into 11 Labs text editor. Click Generate to transform your script into a lifelike voiceover. Download the audio file in MP3 format. Upload the audio file to your Canva project. Drag the audio track onto the timeline. Adjust the speed and volume for clarity. Ensure the voiceover complements the visuals without being too loud or too quiet. Section 6. Canva Magic Visuals, Music, and More. Now comes the fun part. Bringing your video to life with visuals, music, and effects. Start by arranging your video clips on the timeline to match the flow of your script. Trim or extend the clips as needed to create a cohesive narrative. Canva offers a variety of transitions to choose from. Transitions are visual effects that smoothly connect one clip to another. You can add transitions like fades, dissolves, wipes, and more. Experiment with different transitions to see which ones best suit your video's style and pace. Next, add some background music to set the mood and enhance the viewing experience. Canva has a library of royalty-free music tracks. Alternatively, you can upload your own music. When selecting music, consider your video's overall tone and target audience. Choose tracks that complement the visuals and evoke the desired emotions. Once you've added music, adjust the volume so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. You want the music to enhance the video without being distracting. A good rule of thumb is to keep the music volume lower than the voiceover. Don't forget about sound effects. Sound effects can add depth and interest to your video. Canva offers a limited selection of sound effects, or you can upload your own. Use sound effects sparingly and strategically to emphasize key moments or create a specific atmosphere. Section 7. Text and graphics enhancing your video. Text and graphics play a crucial role in faceless YouTube videos. They provide visual cues, highlight key information, and make your video more engaging. Canva offers a wide range of text and graphic elements to choose from. Use text overlays to introduce new sections, highlight important points, or add captions to your video. To add a text overlay, click on the Text tab in the left sidebar and choose a text box. Type in your text and then customize the font, size, color, and style to match your video's aesthetic. Canva also allows you to add animations to your text overlays. Animations can make your text more dynamic and eye-catching. To add an animation, select the text box and click on the animate option in the toolbar above. Choose from a variety of animation effects such as fade in, slide up, or typewriter. Graphics such as shapes, icons, and illustrations can also enhance your video. Use graphics to create visual interest, illustrate concepts, or add a touch of personality. Canva has a vast library of graphics to choose from. You can also upload your own graphics if you prefer. When using text and graphics, remember to keep them clear, concise, and easy to read. Avoid using too many different fonts or colors, as this can make your video look cluttered and unprofessional. Section 8. Final touches. Previewing, exporting, and uploading. You're almost there. Before unleashing your masterpiece on the world, take some time to preview and review your video. Click on the play button below the timeline to watch your video from start to finish. Pay attention to the pacing, transitions, audio levels, and overall flow. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure everything is polished and professional. Once you're happy with your video, it's time to export it. Click on the share button in the top right corner and select Download. Choose MP4 as the file format, as this is the most compatible format for YouTube. While your video is exporting, head over to YouTube and sign into your account. Click on the Create button in the top right corner and select Upload Video. Choose the exported MP4 file from your computer and wait for it to upload. Section 9, YouTube optimization, reaching your audience. Uploading your video is just the first step. Optimize your video for YouTube's algorithm with a compelling title, description, and relevant tags. Your title is the first thing viewers see, so make it count. Create an eye-catching thumbnail. Use a mix of broad and specific tags. Share your video on social media and engage with viewers. Consistency is key. Keep creating high-quality content. The more you optimize, the more likely you are to grow your channel.